Hey, welcome back to the Summary Spot. Today, we're diving into part 3 of the 48 Laws of Power. That's laws 25 through 36. These next 12 laws are all about mastering any situation, whether you're at work, in your social circles, or even just dealing with life's everyday power dynamics. So, buckle up, because we're about to jump into strategies that will help you dominate in any situation you face. All right, let's kick things off with Law 25. Recreate yourself. Think of yourself as an evolving work of art. When life or circumstances start boxing you in, reinvent yourself. Shed old identities and create a persona that matches your goals. It's not about being fake, it's about constantly leveling up. Whether it's at work or in your personal life, don't be afraid to break the mold and redefine who you are. Next, we've got Law 26. Keep your hands clean. Imagine being the person in charge but never getting your hands dirty. Smart, right? Greene says, always distance yourself from shady dealings, but if they're necessary, have someone else carry them out. That way, when things go south, you stay in the clear. Maintain your reputation while still getting things done behind the scenes. Now for Law 27. Play on people's need to believe. People are naturally drawn to leaders who offer them something to believe in, whether it's a vision or a dream. If you can tap into that, you can inspire loyalty and control. Think of the leaders and brands people follow. There's always a bigger vision they're selling. Be the person who offers a sense of purpose and watch how people will rally behind you. Moving on to Law 28. Enter action with boldness. Whether it's asking for a promotion or pitching a big idea, boldness is key. People follow confidence. Greene's advice? Don't tiptoe around. Charge forward with conviction. When you act decisively, you not only command respect, but also make it harder for others to challenge you. Let's talk about Law 29. Plan all the way to the end. You know how they say, keep your eyes on the prize? This law takes it up a notch. Greene says you should always have a clear vision of the endgame before you even begin. Anticipate obstacles, plan for them, and never get distracted. By seeing the whole picture, you'll avoid costly mistakes and have the upper hand. Next up is Law 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. You ever see someone nail a presentation or pull off something huge and it looks like they didn't break a sweat? That's what we're aiming for. Greene says, don't show how hard you worked. Make it look easy. When people think you effortlessly succeed, it amplifies your power and makes you seem unstoppable. On to Law 31. Control the options. Get others to play with the cards you deal. This one's all about giving people the illusion of choice. You present them with 2 or more options, but the outcome always works in your favor. By controlling the scenario, you steer the direction without anyone realizing they're being guided. Now, Law 32. Play to people's fantasies. Let's face it, reality can be boring, but fantasies? They're irresistible. Tap into people's dreams or desires, whether it's in business, relationships, or leadership, and offer them something more exciting than the mundane. When you cater to their fantasies, you have their attention and loyalty. Then there's Law 33. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Everyone has a weak point or a pressure point, and if you can find it, you gain a huge advantage. Greene suggests that by understanding what drives people, their fears, desires, or insecurities, you can influence them more effectively. It's not about exploiting people, but about knowing how to push the right buttons. Next up is Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Here's the deal. People take cues from how you carry yourself. If you act with confidence and poise, people will treat you with respect, even authority. It's not about arrogance, but about commanding respect through your behavior and attitude. Hold yourself like royalty, and the world will follow suit. Moving to Law 35. Master the art of timing. Timing is everything. Whether it's launching a new project, making a big decision, or even just speaking up in a meeting, knowing when to act is crucial. Greene says it's about patience and knowing when to seize the right moment. Don't rush. When the timing's right, the power is yours. Finally, Law 36. Disdain. Things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. We all have things we want but can't get. Instead of obsessing over what's out of reach, Greene advises to simply ignore it. By showing that you don't care, you maintain your power and control. Let go of what you can't have and keep your focus on what you can achieve. And there you have it. 12 more laws from the 48 laws of power that will help you navigate any situation with confidence and strategy. Each of these laws offers a new perspective on influence, leadership, and, yes, power. Thanks for hanging out with me today at the Summary Spot. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next and final episode where we'll break down the last 12 laws. See you next time.